Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. There are a lot of multi-bagger stocks I posted here. You can go through the videos and all these are the multi-bagger stocks you can see here. So now we are going to discuss about another multi-bagger stock, and I will explain you in details, and then we will discuss about the fundamental of that company. Also, you can see here the multi-bagger stock is Union Bank of India. Currently, it is trading at 33.70, and it was traded around 3.02 percentage negative yesterday in the last trading session. But this is an upcoming multi-bagger, and it will give you a multiple return here. So just you can see here, while we are looking into the 1 year chart, so you can hear it's maintaining a gap up pattern here. You can see here the consolidation level is happening here. Now you can see the consolidation is happening here, and this share is an excellent share for the meantime, and the company's fundamental has been changed recently. So we will discuss that. You can see here already I explained you that the company's current trading pattern is, you can see gap up pattern is maintained. So and you can see here currently it is trading around the 34.20, and it was reached somewhere up to 42 rupees, and it currently it is trading at 34.20. So you can see the company's market capitalization. The bank market capitalization is 21,911, and the book value per share is 52.90. And before I told you that company's fundamental got changed, because here it is, since 2020 November, it is moving on positive trend. You can see here. So before it was consolidating for long time, and there was also reason bank was generating losses, and since last 3 quarter, company is generating a better profit, and currently they are good. Actually, they are maintaining that. You can see here the sale has been increased in 2000 December, 2019 December it was generating, and March 2020 it was generating less than 10,000 crore. And when it comes to June, September and December quarter sales, you can see here it reached up to somewhere around 18,555 range, 8,000 to 18,000 to 17,200 range. It is trading. And you can see here while we are going to the income statement, so you will be very clear that this will be a multi-bagger stock. You can see here, let us discuss about the NPA here. You can see in 2019 the NPA was 6.99 percentage net NPA, and currently in last quarter it becomes 3.27 percentage. You can see the difference here. There is a huge difference happen in NPA. So and you can see here, here also the same thing. You can see here things are getting changed. Before in 2019 it was, net NPA was 21,510, and currently it is 19,600 and, sorry, 19,063. And while we are going to the interest end of the bank, you can see here in December 2019, as we discussed, it was around 9,687, and currently it becomes, you can see here last 3 quarter it becomes somewhere around 17,000 to 18,000 range. So and you can see the profitability of the bank. Before, the bank was generating somewhere around negative profit, and later on, since last 3 quarter, it is sudden jump was happened. See, quarter to quarter jump is happening. You can see here the 300 crore, 500 crore, and it becomes 700 crore. So this is the reason I told there is a huge fundamental change was happened to the bank, and this will be an upcoming multi-bagger, and lot of acquisition also happening here. You can see here in this was happened in April 04 2020, and this was in 2018 actually. This you can see here April 04 2020, there was major acquisition was happened by president of India. That means by central government there was huge acquisition was done. So this is the reason I told you there is huge change in the fundamentals. So this will become an upcoming multi-bagger. So try to grab the share right now. So this is the best time to accumulate. Thank you very much.